Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about geometry. The topic that is about the cosine law. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can apply about the cosine law of triangle. So if we look carefully, this is about a triangle in here. So the question they want to find the length of the tunnel. That is about the question mark. So in this one we can put like this S, that is for the question mark in here to the power of 2. Now we have two lengths of the triangle. So we put about 203 to the power of 2 plus 121 to the power of 2 minus number 2 multiplied by 203 multiplied by 121, and we have the angle in here. That is about cosine of 84. So we calculate all the numbers in here, and that is 50,714.9347. Now we put the square root for the both sides, and we have the final answer. And this one, that is about 225.2 meters. And this is the final answer we need to write in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.